Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some delicious chicken stew. We will begin by seasoning our chicken. This was a whole chicken, so I already cut it and cleaned it. I'll be adding my bay leaves, my poultry seasoning, some paprika also just to give it some color, and some homemade seasoning. It's just black pepper and salt and other seasoning. This is grounded rosemary and coriander. I will be adding that in there. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add a little bit of water just to get it started. That much water, you don't need a lot. And we'll get it to boil. Cook until the chicken is nicely soft. Then we will remove it. We will also remove the broth. We will save this for later. And now I'm going to add some oil and begin frying my chicken. I just want to give it like a golden brown color. And after frying it, we will be removing it and we will be adding our vegetables. I'm going to add my tomato sauce. If you don't have tomato sauce, you can always use tomato paste. Add a little bit of water, a little bit of salt, and let that cook until that sourness from the tomato is gone. I'm going to add back in my broth, which has a lot of flavor, and we're going to let this cook for a little bit until our sauce is looking thick like this. Then we'll be adding back our chicken. Now we're gonna let it sit on a medium-low heat and just let it simmer until all the flavors blend and your sauce is nicely thick like this. And there you have it. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and go ahead and try it and let me know how yours came out. Until next time, bye bye.